If you remember from the last turn-down video, I got this Bowers Wilkins High-end center speaker with a damaged tweeter. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a tweeter with a broken cone. This tweeter still working, but in the audio world, the placebo effect has a huge impact on sound performance. While I'm waiting for the new replacement, I will show you a step-by-step guide on how to do this very easily. I removed the tweeter along with the entire housing from the cabinet, but that isn't actually necessary. Your task is to unscrew the rear screw, as that is what holds the tweeter in place. Then carefully pull the tweeter out of the housing. The wires will come with it, so pull them through the rubber grommet. Disconnect the wires, but be sure to take a photo or remember exactly where each wire was connected. To remove the broken cone, you need to unscrew 3 screws, and then carefully pull the cone and its housing away from the rear magnet. You can fully turn down this tweeter, but it's very complicated build, not like the regular tweeters we are used to be seeing. When you get the new replacement cone with voice coil, simply put it back in place, center it, tighten the screws, and reassemble the housing. That's all. I hope this demo helps you replace your broken Bowers Wilkins tweeter. Good luck and enjoy the music.